This lighting is really causing me a lot of stress, and I don't like stressing. I'm gonna have to work with it. I'm gonna have to work with it. Hey guys, it's Cam. I'm not at home anymore, and I'm not in my dorm room. This is my friend's dorm room. That's another story. But today I'm just gonna be taking out my my braids. I put them in on Tuesday. It's now Saturday. Since I put them in, I've had this on. As soon as I finished, I put this on, and I haven't taken it off since. So we're both going to be in for a surprise when I take this off. And it actually may not even be like a braid out or anything. It may be complete trash. So let's see what we're in for. Bro, I look hit. They soft at least. At least they're soft. But I wasn't doing it for like a style or anything. This was just to keep my hair away because I had it out for 4 days, which is something I haven't done in a while. I had it for 4 days, so I was like, no, I just can't keep wearing it out. So this whole video about to be trash, but whatever. Why are you doing this? I think it's the shirt. Let's get started with this though. Let me see. I'm just about to put it up just to see how it would look. I got a mirror right here if I'm looking over here too much. Don't even look. You know what? I'm not even gonna have y'all clowning my side. It be looking like I don't have any hair, dog. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. I should like recreate my other video. Y'all remember this video? If you want to see how I got like some, I think I'm gonna put some videos. I don't have as many braids, so some of these may not work out. So what's the first one? Oh, I missed that intro. Alright, I got them down right now. That was the first one. Put them down. For a bonus, you can throw on a hairband. I got a hairband on and I had them up in a pineapple. Wow. I'm amazing. It's that Rocky ponytail. I don't think I have enough braids for it's that Rocky ponytail. I can leave these down, I guess. I do not have enough braids for this. Yeah, I don't have enough braids for this, so don't clown me. On to the next one. Or sometimes I leave out 2. I remember that. Sometimes I leave out 4. Sometimes I leave out 2. Sometimes I leave out 1. And if I'm feeling saucy, y'all let me say this. This video wasn't even supposed to be like this. I don't know how this turned into this. I was just gonna take my braids down, but this is more fun. So let's see how this looks. My hair looked the same length. I don't like this. This is a dub. No hair hat. So I do this differently now. I push all my hair back and then I like cross them. This isn't a tutorial. I think I feel like I did this in my latest twist out video. Y'all get it. Okay, so that's the last one. I just took it back a little bit. Head is too big. Head is definitely too big. I look dumb. It looked good in the video, that video, not this one. For this, in case you're wondering, I use this leave-in. It's very moisturizing. It's cheap, it has good slip. It's moisturizing, but it always flakes. That's its only downside. And I also use some shea butter. Yeah, and that was it. And then I put oil on my scalp. I wanted to do another playlist video, but y'all think my hair is still wet. It's a little damp, but it's not like wet. But yeah, I wanted to do another playlist, but this is very soft. I keep getting distracted. I wanted to do another playlist, but they emailed me and said they was gonna take down my other one, but they didn't take it down. Like it had a copyright like flag on it. I wasn't about to do nothing, you know. It's not that deep to me. They said they was gonna take it down, and they didn't. Maybe they was like, oh, it's his birthday, we can't take it down, because it was my birthday videos. Maybe they was like, let's not. Oh, yeah, I wasn't expecting this definition. That's crazy. I feel like I always have to duck in all my videos. Maybe I should just put the camera higher. Oh, this is so soft. Like, it's crazy how soft this is. I really like that leave-in. I just wish it didn't flake with everything. Last two, home stretch. All right, last one. Hopefully I can do this before my camera dies. Oh my gosh, it's a race. This is what we're left with, unseparated. Oh, okay. Unseparated, nothing has been done. I think I may separate it. I mean, I'm about to wash it anyway, so it don't really matter. I'm gonna just stretch it a little bit before I separate it. So usually I separate as I like untwist or unravel whatever I have in my hair. But I don't like doing this because this like can leave like spots not like unseparated. Is that a word? Unseparated. Is unseparated a word?
Here's what I found on the web for is unseparated.
I guess so. It's gonna be flat at the top, but that's a given. This pattern, curl, whatever, it gives me like a whole different vibe. You feel me? It's pretty chill, you know. It's just pretty chill. I'll separate this out for now, because it's not like big enough. Oh, I didn't see you there. But nah, my camera cut off, so I'm gonna just finish this. Like, I like frizz because I don't have a full head of hair yet. See how I'm speaking into existence? But I don't have a full head of hair, and when it's frizzy, it looks bigger than what it is. Surface wise, I don't have a lot of hair. I'm gonna apologize, like, for real, because I hate videos like this when I'm just taking my hair down rather than showing what I did. But I didn't know this was gonna come out good, so don't grill me in the comments, because I don't usually do videos like this. If somebody asks me to do a video and I do it, it won't even turn out this way. Like, it's not even gonna be this good. As you can see, I didn't do any type of parts over here. Try to lift my roots a little bit. This below freezing outside, so I'm not about to have my hair out for long at least. My roots don't look good, but the definition is there. So this is it. This isn't how I expected this video to turn out. Well, I thought these braids were gonna yield some really bad results, but shock yourself every day, right? You know, high standards, low expectations. But y'all, let's just acknowledge how I transformed from the beginning of the video to this part of the video. Like, I could be 20 different people in a week. Like, I wanted to record another video, so I needed to stop playing around. Again, I apologize for not showing y'all how I did it, but I didn't expect it to come out good. I thought they was just gonna be doodle braids and they was gonna be like trash. But, you know, make the best out of every situation, you feel me? Dang, positivity, man. Always keep it positive. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want. Here should be a subscribe button, and here should be another video to watch. So make sure, well, it's still uneven, yo.